Hey there, my name is Bhagyesh and today I will be showing you how to install Docker on Ubuntu. Docker is useful to create the same virtual environment across different platforms. Using Docker, we will be far away from the hassles like operating system related specific configurations. So, let's get into it. First, we will go with the update command. Now we'll install the dependency like HTTP and curl needed for the Docker. Now we'll fetch key from the docker.com for Ubuntu using curl and we'll add it into our system. Now we will add Docker repository in our system. Now we will refresh the repository using update command. Now we are ready to run Docker install command. Now we need to allow Docker for our user. As Docker is installed in our system, we can check the version using command. That's all about installing Docker on Ubuntu. I will add commands in description. Have fun with Docker. Thank you.